Oh my god. When? Let me put my leg here to hold it up. And we are gonna shut this thing. Whew, this is exhausting. I'm tired. I'm definitely probably not gonna ride tonight. I might. We'll see. It's like Schrodinger's ride. I may or may not be riding tonight. I am very concerned about the front losing its pressure. Or possibly ripping. Oh, come off. So good, so easy. Not easy, but you do this enough, you'll figure out how to do it quickly or efficiently. The whole time I've been doing this, I'm barely awake. Alright, I need some shit. Some sealant. Loctite. My dog. He is a wild motherfucker. There's probably a proper way to do this, but fuck it. Fuck it. It's not feel like it's on correctly. This one feels okay. This one doesn't. I like to go left. Okay, let me switch these around. That fits good. It doesn't fit the best, but it looks a little slanted too. But I think it's fine. Do it slowly. Make sure it threads. It feels good. Once I got through the first few, I might fix the brakes while I'm at it. I should change the front, and I'm already knowing that I'm gonna regret not changing the front to the new tubes. But I'm fucking lazy right now. I think one good night's sleep and one solid workout, I'll be back to normal. I think it was, because of the smoke yesterday. Whew. Okie dokie. I think there's a trick to this. If you loosen this, I might change the, I might fix the brake noise. I need to bleed my brakes too. Not bleed it, but top it off. The maintenance on this scooter has been immense. Not maintenance, repair and then maintenance, but mostly repair. And me choosing cheap tires. Louis. All right, I'm just gonna put it down and tighten it up and air it up. Whew, I am lightheaded. Move, Louis. Move, move. Ooh, always hold your breath. Tighten your body when you're lifting this fucking thing. My coworker who lifted out of his trunk earlier. Oh, so I walked my fucking ass to work from there and had my coworker ended up using my coworker's car to bring this back home. Thank God he was still working. Usually he's not. Let's see. Oh, looks good. Looks like it's gonna hold pressure. That was fun. That was fun. Let's hope everything's okay. So, you shouldn't really use 2-inch tubes for 3-inch tires. I should have just replaced it. I should replace this one, but I'll replace it when I've changed the front tires. 21 PSI right now. That is not bad. That was not bad, the time it took to do this. All right, adios. I might ride tonight. Bye.